Hey everyone, it's Tim here from Organic Backyard Gardening. I'm often asked where I buy my seeds from. Well, I have three favorite places. Mowing Seeds from Vermont, Johnny Seeds from Maine, and Baker Creek Seeds from Missouri. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about each company and what I like about them. So Baker Creek Seeds, as you can see by the beautiful cover, this is the 2022 magazine. They're very detailed, beautiful, beautiful magazines. This company I will go to find rare seeds and seeds that I can't typically find anywhere else. Really interesting things to try. Now their website is actually, you can go to rareseeds.com and that'll take you to their website. Now their seed packs are beautiful as well. This is an example of Swiss rainbow chard. They have beautiful artwork on each of the seed packets, and they have the growing details on the back. Now it looks like this year they're offering free shipping, which I don't believe they had always offered, and that's great. So free shipping, I believe, in the US. So I will use them if I'm looking for something very interesting or rare. It's always a pleasure to look through this beautiful catalog. They really put a lot of time into it. Now the next is Johnny Seeds. So Johnny Seeds from Maine, they have everything, extremely detailed. From a technical standpoint, they have the most information, I feel, on growing. They have a lot of grow guides on their website, and they ship very fast. This is an example of what one of the seed packets look like, and they do have a lot of detail on each of the seed packets. Another thing I like about Johnny Seeds is not only do they have seeds, is they have a lot of tools. Really, really interesting tools, a lot of seed starting equipment, and they also have some tools just unique to Johnny Seeds. And they've partnered with Eliot Coleman to produce some tools. If you don't know who Eliot Coleman is, look him up on YouTube. Eliot Coleman is just really great. He's written a lot of great books on organic gardening. He's very influential to the style of growing that I like to follow. But a lot of great tools, a lot of good stuff that a lot of other seed catalogs do not have. Now, one thing is they do not have free shipping. I believe they do over $200 or more. The third company that I love is Mowing Seeds. Now, Mowing has free shipping on all orders over $50. They ship very fast. They are 100% certified organic. So these are all organic seeds. This is their 2022 seed catalog, and they have a lot of options. I order some of my seed starting potatoes in here, and basically I order most of my seeds from Mowing. I find their prices are very good. They ship very fast. I'm in New Hampshire, so it doesn't take long for the seeds to get here from Vermont. This is what their seed packets look like. This is the ruby red chard, and they do have some great details on the back of the seed packet with some key information here around planting depth, seed spacing, days to germination, plant height, which is helpful. So actually, my kids already went through some of these magazines and started circling things that they wanted to grow this coming season. So, like I said, I recommend all three of these. If you do buy from Mowing, please use my link down below. I'm an affiliate, so I will gain a small commission that will help out the YouTube channel. But I will put links to all three of these companies down below in the description. And if you do not have one of their seed catalogs, you can go to each company and request a seed catalog. I highly recommend it. It's really nice to flip through the book rather than looking through the website. I find a lot of times by flipping through the magazines, I can find things that I wouldn't even thought about growing in the seed catalogs. So I hope this quick little video was helpful, and happy growing. please click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when we post new videos. My Plan My Garden service makes it really easy for you to plan your garden in a few simple steps. Enter your zip code, draw your garden layout, select what vegetables you want to grow and how much space you want to allocate to each. Check out, and then we'll send you an email with a PDF that has a visual schedule for each vegetable you selected, a getting started guide, a grow guide for each vegetable selected, and your garden layout updated with optimal plant placements for maximum yields.